Okay. Now your video is stuck. I don't know why.
My video is stuck.
Now it's okay, ma'am.
Okay, so good afternoon. How are you? Welcome in the session.
Yeah, first of all, good afternoon, and I am doing well. Thank you for asking me. What about you, ma'am?
I am very well. How was your day?
Yeah, it's good. It was good, and
Okay, okay. So it's our first meeting. So would you like to introduce yourself or should I introduce myself?
of course, yeah, you can say you introduce yourself first.
Okay, okay. So my name is Vijay Lakshmi. I am comes from Rajasthan. By profession, I am a teacher. I usually teach English literature, 11th and 12th classes. I am a mother also. And if I have some leisure time, so I would like to take care of the plants. So that's all about me. And what about you?
Okay. Yeah, I'm also. My name is Govind, and I'm from Madhya Pradesh. If I am a student, so I am doing graduation Bachelor of Arts in Political Science. Yeah, that's all about me.
Okay. And what about your hobbies and your interest?
Yeah, my hobby is reading book and traveling. Yeah,
Oh. And what kind of books and what kind of place do you want to travel?
when I get time, like a holiday, so I might plan with friends trip, long trip. I like most long trips, like a natural place. I like most.
Okay. And what's your favorite place in the MP Madhya Pradesh? Do you like most to visit? What is the
in
sightseeing? Your favorite sightseeing?
in Madhya Pradesh.
Yeah.
Yeah, in Madhya Pradesh is a Khajuraho. There is a big gauge. There is a big gauge you can see is a natural gauze, and I like most. Recently, I have visited.
Okay, okay, that's nice. Also, I heard about maybe the Panchmadi. Also, there is a sanctuary, maybe also famous in Madhya
Yeah,
Pradesh.
yeah, yeah. It's also famous, but still I have not visited Pachmani, so I don't much about Adia. But it is also good, and it is a natural place. But in
Yeah.
future, I will go.
Okay, okay,
Yeah.
that's nice. So what's your plan? What would you like to become in your near future? What would you like to after 5 or 10 years?
Just my goal is you can say in my life I want to become a, a IAS and I want to become officer in as a officer in defense forces air force. So just I'm preparing for CDS exam as well as I'm doing my graduation. That's all about.
Okay. Have you any family background in defense and army?
No, still I don't have any background like army, but I create background myself. I joined NCC. Yeah,
Okay.
so
And if
it
you get
helps me.
okay, that's nice. Yes, yes. NCC also you can say you should be. We learn in NCC we should be disciplined. How can we maintain different situation and we visit in different place also. So it is good.
Yeah,
Yes.
yeah.
So if
It
carry
it
on.
helps a lot in. Yeah, it you can say NCC helps a lot in our defense exams. They they provide a reservation for the NCC cadet. That's why I joined and my goal.
Yeah, yeah. So have you
Yeah.
ever won any award? in NCC there is a different award also.
Yeah, right. You can say, ma'am, this year I pass out my first year now, and I training. Yeah, I am junior in my NCC, so still I not I did not won any award, but up in maybe future definitely will participate and like because
Oh,
I'm just a junior and just I joined NCC, so I don't have much idea about that. But I'm just doing my best.
oh, okay. My best wishes with you
Yeah,
for the future. So, if you, when will you start your speaking journey?
yeah. I've been learning this language 5 6 months, 4 5 6 months.
Okay.
You can say after 12th, after 12th, I started my journey English speaking.
Do you speak with your friend in your college? Have you any now environment around you?
I I have one friend, but still he went in he went his training. Is he joined Navy, so he went training. So now I don't have right now I don't have any friend for the talking. So just I'm using it's CV app, CV application with the talking, and I joined this application.
Okay, okay. So, you have been learning this language last 5 months, you can say.
Yeah,
So,
yes,
if you get chance to give the 2 to 3 tips for the beginner who wants to just begin this language, so what is your tips for the beginner? How can I think your English is the moderate good and you can
yeah,
manage
not
all things.
good. I think if like a beginner who wants to learn this language, first they have to speak in English because more you speak, more you learn. My perspective, and you have to learn grammar, basic grammar, not advanced. You have to understanding basic grammar because without basic grammar you can't do anything in speaking. It's my point. So first I suggest you need to learn some basic grammar, then you do conversation with co-learners, speak in English wo- as much you can do conversation with co-learners, so do. And you everyone know listening, writing, reading, so is everything is important, so do everything in your day, so one day you can achieve. Yeah.
Yeah,
Or
yeah,
I will say first point, and keep patient because this language takes too much time. So keep patient. If you if you do not have patience, so you can't do learn. You can't learn because you think I have to learn in this language in 1 month. It's not possible because it's a I can say there is a lot of knowledge you have to gain. So yeah,
yeah, yes. You covered, I think all points. Just first of all, you said you speak more and more. Now, everyone should
yeah,
be start speaking and practice more and more and every day with the patience. And after that,
yes, yes,
told we should know some basic grammar. We are not much more talking about the advanced grammar, but basic grammar is required. After that, that listening, reading, writing, these are the also important aspect of this language. And also, I would like to
yeah,
add one point. So, lot of people
yeah,
think about I want to learn this language. I have to learn this language. I have crazy about this language, but they can't take
yeah,
the first step. They can't. take the first step, they haven't any courage. First of all, we have to courage to start speaking. First, we have to
Yes.
start speaking without any concern, without any worrying about the repercussion, without any worrying about the result, what happened, people what say, how feel I. When you start speaking, you feel thrilled and you feel
Yeah,
inspired.
of course.
And lot of people I now met some already met. I have met lot of people, and I also talked with co-learner. Oh, I also want some text. Oh, I also speak like that person, this person, but they haven't any courage. So first of all, we have to build courage and confidence.
Correct.
If we have a confidence, some people have a lack of confidence, they are good. I realized now comparison to me, lot of people are very good, but still they haven't lack of the confidence, lack of the courage. They can't take the first step. So first we have to take the first step. After that, it's a require more and more practice. Speaking comes by the speakings. There is a no alternative way.
Yeah.
Yes. So anything
Yes,
else
ma'am, you
would you
say
like?
right.
Yeah.
Yeah,
I realized
you say yeah.
yes. Second thing I would like say we should focus on the listening, just like we learn our local language. Only imitating and by the listening our elders, our parents, our family members, you know. So if we are
Yeah.
pay attention toward the listening, so and after listening, we try to imitate. And also sometimes we read some word, but we don't know if we
Yeah.
so when we start listening, that we realize it. Oh, this word is how can we use in a different context. So it is important. Listening is also important. Speaking and listening the first part. After that, we can go for reading and writing. Also, they are both for the important part. If we want to know writing, we can skip the writing. But the trio is more important, I think.